Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Uh, Daily Sudoku practice continues. Yes, it's today, October the 28th, 2023 here. And Saturday, October the 28th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. The puzzles are the Medium Sudoku I will solve in a minute. And we have here a Samurai Sudoku. I will solve this tomorrow evening. And in this daily newspaper, we have also a puzzle page, the puzzle page of Saturday, October the 28th. We have here two Sudokus with 3 stars. This is one. And the second one, we have a killer Sudoku. Two binaries 10 by 10. And the last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 6 puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And tomorrow, we will continue with the additional. The additional with 7 printed 7 puzzles, 7 Sudokus. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon I will solve these puzzle with 7 puzzles. We have 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. But let me start with the regular puzzle first. Regular puzzle number 7347. 7347. Let me mark this with the number 7347. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. 27. Well. That's a lot for medium Sudoku. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star. 27 has 20 printed digits. It's always a 1 star. And for the 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Come on. 1, 6 and 8. Need a 6 here. Need a 8 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 9. Yes, in this middle column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there in the middle column. Here or there, we see another 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5, okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. 2. And 4, need a 4 here. 5, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Alright. Come on. Need a 7 here. 7, 5. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 5 here. What's happening? 2, 9, 6, 7, 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 6, 7. Oh, well, we have another 8 in this column. So no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those. 6 and the 7. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. So 3 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. We have a 6 in the last column. Sorry, 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. So the 5 and the 7 are left. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1, 2, need a 3, need a 4, 5, 6, need a 7, 3, 4, 7. Well, need to wait. Wait. 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need an 8 here. Need 8 there. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 4 here. 6, 7, need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only place left for the 5. Should be there. 6, 7, and the 9. Okay. 7. Need 7 here. Okay, the other 3 should be the... So these 3 missing numbers in this column should be 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. The other 3 boxes in this big square are numbers. Oh, well, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So now 2 numbers left. Here we have 3, 4, 7. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 3 and 8. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. Okay, need a 4 here. 5 here. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. See a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for 6 should be there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6, 6. And now 3 Need a 3 here. I need a 7. 3, 7, need a 4. 7 and a 4. And 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last column. No 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row. Oh no. Here we have also 4 and a 7 as a pair. Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, and I need a 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. Here. Oh wait. 1, 2, 9. 4, 7. Oh well. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 7. Okay. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So first row, only 2 places left. 1 and 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So here we have also 4 and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 9 here. Yeah, need a 9. Let me mark those. Okay, 7. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the... Sorry, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. First column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 7. Oh wait, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box, no, 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Need a 4 here. 4 here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in that column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. Alright, and now 1, 2, 9. Okay. Here should be 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 2, 4. 5 and 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1 and a 9 here. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes up here. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 and an 8, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.